A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today in this video I want to provide you a free signal which will help you to make some profit in the forex market. And I promise you every day I'm going to upload a new session video that will help you to make profit in the forex market. So right now I'm on the GBP USD, and what I have noticed in this particular pair, I have already analyzed this trade, and I'm gonna give you a just rough idea of what will happen next to this pair. So just now I have seen that like this area is represented as a resistance, okay, and this strong resistance has been broke out by this bullish candle, which means the price will retest this level and after that went up. And so this is a great opportunity for the buy order in GBP USD. So as you can see, it is a right moment to place a buy order, and the take profit will be a 20 pips, and the second take profit will be a 40 pips, and the third take profit will be 60 pips, and you may keep your stop loss till 30 pips. So this is a good trading opportunity for GBP USD. So let's switch to the GBP CHF. Here also buy now, take profit will be 20 pips, and second 50, and third 100, and the stop loss will be 40 pips. So now I'm going to explain you why I have placed my buy order in GBP CHF. Did you notice this particular area, this area, this area? What this three area represented? Resistance? You are right. So this resistance is simply broke out by this bullish momentum. That means price, what happen most of the time, if the price is in a downtrend, okay, price hit that particular area, but price hit some particular area which is called support, and after that price go up, again came down to retest the support, again go up, again came down to retest the support, and after that it broke out this resistance area, and after that price came down to retest this resistance to make a support, to make this resistance as a support. So this is what happening in this particular GBP CHF. So I would suggest you to place a buy order in GBP CHF. So it will give you minimum profit at least 50 to 100 pips, at least 50 to 100 pips. So this is a great opportunity for GBP CHF, and I'm going to give you a last pair, which is Euro GBP. Okay, so Euro GBP, I would suggest you to place a sell order. So what happened to this pair? Did you notice this particular area? It represented as a support, and this is not a normal support. You have just noticed with your eyes, it is not a normal support. Once the price hit that particular area, it went up, and it took a week to complete it. So right now this support has been broke out by this bearish momentum, which means that price will retest this area and again came down. So right now price is retested, and right now price is going down. So it is a great moment for the place a sell order in Euro GBP. So I hope I have given you three pairs, which is GBP USD, GBP CHF, and another one is Euro GBP. These three trades, these three particular trade I haven't given you. If you really like this please make a trade, and I'm going to give you a result tomorrow what happened to these 3 trades. Okay, so if you really like this video, please like, subscribe and share this. And till now I'm going to close the sessions and meet you tomorrow with a new daily forecast video. Thank you.